stream is done for tonight, and I got a whole heap of work done on the metallics. Finished this disc up here. I may go back and do those bronze teeth a little bit brighter, but overall the mini's quite dark, so I don't know if I will. Got the metal staff done, nothing extravagant there. The blade, oh my god, what a mess. So I appear to have forgotten how to paint swords like I used to, but that's okay. Learning journey. We will make that ground up very quickly. His little feet, got them done. The helmet, the shoulder, the back of the disc, and his pommel. So yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, I've still got high hopes. Tomorrow night. See you guys then.